Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a Naruto custom lamp for my friend Harris using some tools and techniques, and you decide how it turned out. Alright guys, welcome to a new and the first episode of my channel. It's called 507 Art. It's gonna be our first freestyle recording today with my friend Harris. He helps me out. This project is actually for him because we moved together. He needs a reading lamp and that's the material we're using. And we don't have all the tools, the machinery we need, so we have to jump from one place to another place. We're gonna do it freestyle, so let's see what's happening. That's the welding machine we're gonna use today. And yeah, let's start cutting with the frame. And once we have our cuts done, then we're gonna tack and weld everything together and we see the next step, how everything is going. So the base frame is gonna be this material. It's 15 by 15 mil. It's gonna be a Naruto lamp, so we're gonna have it a bit. We're gonna make it a little bit in Japanese style. So I'm gonna cut out of this profile 4 pieces, maybe up to this length, and this is our base. And from this point, we're gonna add the other materials and we see how it's gonna go. So now we're gonna go to the saw and cut the 4 pieces. Thanks again for Harold using his tools. Now we cut the pieces just normally, straight cuts. I'm not a professional welder guys, please, I just know how to weld. If you can correct me in something, just put it in the comments below. I appreciate that. Actually, I like the rough style. Sometimes when I look at it, I like the dents and the marks. They're all grinded up. Now we're gonna go back and freestyle the next step. Let's go. Yeah, so the structure is gonna look similar to this one. So now we're gonna cut these 2 materials. One goes on the top, in between, all 4 sides. And the smaller one goes on the bottom on all 4 sides. And once we have done this, we're gonna look the structure again, how it looks, and continue on those steps. Now we have 2 of them, so it's gonna be something like this. And we're gonna put the rest parts in here. I came up with the idea to cut some bars, put them in here, and also make a frame from here to here. And here's gonna come our picture inside. I think that's it for the ground frame. We have the sides for the picture, open space. It's gonna be closed too. We're gonna clean up the welds a little bit and stay in front of it for another 30 minutes to think about the next part of the design. But so far, I'm happy with the result. Stay tuned for the next step. Another day, another shop, another toolbox, still same project. Another beard. So today we're gonna finish the welding. We're gonna put this cap on here with that steel rod. It's gonna be something like this. And we're gonna clean up the metal frame with the ankle grinder, and we have to drill a hole for the cable. It's gonna be with that too. And then we're gonna powder coat and spray paint, and let's see how things going. And I'm not a professional again, guys. For all the people I know, safety first. I'm an artist. In this case, I can. It's alright.
So now, as you can see, the attachment for the light bulb itself has been welded on. Now we're gonna give the surface a little treatment, the way how we like it. Not too perfect. Clean up the welds a little bit, and then it's gonna go to powder coat. And then finally we see how it looks with some colors. So let's go. At the first job I used a grinding disc. It's maybe not the best thing in terms of safeties, but I liked sometimes how it turns out. But then we decided to sand everything a bit smoother. You didn't even record all the time, eh? Not all the time. I had one for like 13 minutes or something before your mum came.
Yeah, Harris, do the dirty work. It's your lamp. That's Harris from Australia. Thanks again, man. He's helping me for making the video. And now we have to clean up properly the surfaces to prepare for powder coating. So it have to be fat, silicone free. And now we apply a tape that it's heat resistant. Now the funny part is starting powder coating. I love it. It's satisfying, and yeah, just enjoy it. With this powder coat you have to be very careful how to apply it, and it's always fun. I love this part. Now it has to go 17 minutes into a oven, 200 degrees, and then we're gonna take it out and see finally the result. Okay guys, so now we have to wait 17 minutes. Meantime, you can help my channel grow so we can do more projects like this, and hit the subscribe button. Maybe leave a comment, what did you like in the video, what not, and if you can correct me in any ways, just do it. I appreciate every movement that you do, and let's try to make future videos. So let's take the results. Thanks guys, so finally now we're gonna take it out and see the result, how it turned out. Also a nice part is to take off the tape, then you finally see if the picture fits that you imagined before. And actually while editing this video I saw that in metal look in orange it actually looks pretty sick. Leave me a comment, what do you like more, the black or the silver one? And now we come to the black part. We're gonna tape up all the orange parts, and I like how it looks now already, to be honest. And now my favorite spray paint, shout out to Montana. The good part now coming. Taking off all the pieces. Oh yeah. How do you like it? Better silver or in black? Leave me a comment. Now the next part. We are at my friend Patrick. We know each other for 20 years also. And let's make some stickers, baby. Patrick makes stickers for me a long time. It's a hate-love because I'm a very special customer. I always want some things that are impossible, but he make it work. I'm not joking, guys. I'm gonna put his Instagram channel in the comment section for sure. Shout out, thanks Patrick.
Have fun with your project.
Nice, so they're done. I like them. Let's gonna put them on the lamp and see how everything looks together. 1,000 times thanks to Patrick.
Thank you, Patrick.
Nice. Have a nice day.
So let's head back to the shop and finish the lamp. Let's go. We're back in the workshop. Now we have the finished painted structure. We have the stickers. We have the lamp, cable. All we're gonna put all together. Then it's finished. So let's start. Finally, we put all together. Finally, I love these parts too. When everything comes together and you start seeing the picture. So let's put the cable. We're gonna use the old school trick to do that. And I think it's common sense. Even if I don't like electronic, you will see in my art future projects that I use sometimes electronic parts and make something with lights, whatever. So don't forget to hit the bell as well to be informed when I have a new video. So let's clean up the surface before we put on the double-sided tape. We bought this paper in a shop, artist shop. It's perfect for our lamp, so we cut our 4 pieces out. And finally we can put the stickers we made at Patrick's on those papers. If you want to know more about stickers, you can follow him, and in general about vinyls, he's a professional. Pressed on, we're gonna test it out. Let's do the other 3 pieces and then jump to the next step. So now we put on the papers, and I think now we are done. So let's go home and see how it works, and let's see the sexy shots. Let's go. So guys, thank you for everyone who stayed till the end of this video. I appreciate everyone. Now this is the finished lamp. We made it for Harris, as we said before. I hope he's gonna like it, but let's see what he is saying about it. It's yours, Harris.
Thank you, Danny.
You're welcome.
So yeah, obviously, I'm super happy with how the lamp turned out because the colors matched so perfectly with the Naruto theme of the lamp, and I really like that. Another thing I wanted to just quickly touch on is that the editing in this video was done mostly by myself with the help of Danny next to me. And so if anyone in the comments could leave some criticisms about the editing and even the recording, because I'd like to improve. So for future videos, we'd like to make them a lot better. So please, some constructive criticism would be greatly appreciated, and it only helps us to make videos better for you guys in the future.
Yeah, leave some comments, guys. How do you like everything? Again, remember, I'm not a professional, and either way, I'm an artist. And this was a warm-up for my actual video that I spent more than 1,000 hours in. And you should definitely subscribe to see what's coming next. And there's gonna be a big giveaway, so leave your comments, leave your thoughts, subscribe, and see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching, everyone.